do 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 do. Hey, Rabbit, guess what? Today we're gonna go ahead and get us a house, or half a house. Like, there's this owner and he's gonna give us half of the house, but we have to pay the rent for only 3 days, or only for 1 day, alright? So yeah, or only for half a day, alright? Yeah, just for half a day. I don't have enough money to pay rent for the whole day, but yeah, pretty much I'm broke. I don't have a job no more. I can't wait until the Ghost series comes out though. Jared, when you're gonna make that, I don't know. But anyways, Rabbit, we're gonna get us a house. So yeah, follow me to come and speak to the owner, and we can get half of the day and half of the house for half a day. Alright, so yeah, come on, let's go. Okay, Foxy, I trust you, but it better be true, alright? Oh yeah, Rabbit, over here. This is the owner of the house. Hey, old man, here's a spray can. Yeah, that spray can cost $3, so half of 3 is half of 6, so yeah, probably that would half a day. So yeah, that's it. All right, so yeah, do we get half a house? Is there anything we have to worry about?
Yeah, there's this guy. He's nice, but if you touch the grass or touch anything, okay. So I'm gonna give you some chores. Okay, you're gonna cut the grass. You're gonna do stuff, but the guy will give you 3 chances. But if you don't do it, okay. So, yeah.
Oh, okay, sir. Is that it? All right. Well, that seems it. All right. Oh, Rabbit, why are you over there? Come on, Rabbit. Let's go.
Looking. Okay. If you on those 3 chances, right? Well, if you touch the grass while he's looking at you, you okay.
Oh, okay, sir. Yeah. Oh my God. Bye. Okay, sir. Bye now. Yeah, we're gonna leave now. Alright, well, this is some grass to trim, I guess so. Foxy, I'm over here trimming some grass. You can go and trim the leaves now. Hi. Oh, hi, man.
Are you the new person?
Yeah, hold on. Foxy, come over here. Okay, Rabbit, I'm here.
Hey, what's up?
Ow. Oh, alright, so you're the new person, or you're a different person.
You smell like cherries. I love sniffing people.
Rabbit, who is this guy? You know what? Fine, I'm just gonna go and trim some leaves, alright? I'm gonna trim some leaves. Goodbye. Okay, then.
You smell like chocolates.
Alright, goodbye, sir. I have to keep on trimming.
Oh,
I have a job to do. Relax. Hey, what are you doing? Stop trimming grass! Ow, 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 ow! Stop! Ow, ow! You trim the grass all the time, man! I'll beat you up! Alright, I'll give you one more chance! Stop it! Alright, come here!
Sorry for that. That's my brother. You know how he is with the grass. I don't know why. He just likes chocolates too. But he likes grass.
I'm gonna go and help Foxy with his job. Wow, this technique really works from the hump day. I remember that part when I was humping the trees, and it really made them grow real big. I mean, look, they're flowers now. Man, that's how beautiful they are. Huh? I wonder when.
Sorry, I kind of messed up your flowers.
Well, I wonder when Rabbit's coming. Hi, Foxy, I'm here. Yeah. Oh, I see you just got tired of humming the tree. Yeah, I understand. Hey, Rabbit, I'm gonna keep humming this tree because I think it really worked. Because it's been growing huge. So yeah, I'm gonna keep on humming the tree. Alright, while you, well, I guess it doesn't work. But I'm gonna keep on doing. While you go ahead and trim the leaves, alright? So yeah, thank you. Alright, thanks. Time to trim some leaves.
So am I, but I just
Ow! my job. I'm in the tree. Man, can't believe this tree is actually falling leaves, man. Man, I must be really good at this job. Oh, I got like 60 people on top of me trying to kill me. One guy did have a knife and almost shoved it in my throat. Man, that must have hurt. Oh well, I'm gonna keep on doing it. Stop doing that! Hey, what? Wait! I'm giving you. Ow! Let go of me! Don't let go! I'm giving you one more chance. If you do something like that again, you're both dead. Get out! Ow! You know what? I hate that, Tim. I'm just gonna go and help Rabbit with his job. Oh yeah! I love reading changes.
I'm after you, man.
Whoa!
Don't worry, man.
What has happened? What's happened?
Don't worry, buddy. Got you.
Oh my God! He flew. Oh, I don't know what happened.
Okay.
I'm getting dizzy. Ow! I told them 20 times. Do not do that. I'm gonna kill you. I told you. I'm gonna take you guys to a chamber to where you all die. You're all gonna die. I told you guys not to do that. Ow!
Time to tell them that their half day is done.
Ah!
Oh my God! Whoa. What's that? I have to go.
I need my gun. I told you guys.
I didn't have a gun, so I guess this would do.
What? Ow! Ow! What's going on?
Oh, sorry.
Ow!
Wait.
Ow! But what's going on right now?
I'm killing the dog.
Oh well.
That's right. He was beating you up.
Alright. Well, aren't you gonna let us? Aren't you gonna help us explain like what's going on? Yeah, explain like what happened.
He's evil. He just hates it when you guys touch your glass. I told you not to, but I mean, like he tried to beat you up, so I guess I'll let it pass, and I just killed him. So you have to help me bury his body.
Alright, but like, hold on. So yeah, do we still get to stay here or?
Yeah, sure. You get to stay here as long as you want. Just help me bury his body.
Oh, I thought it was the half day was already over.
Just help me bury his body.
And after that, can we leave? Because this place is really weird.
If you want to, but yeah, sure.
All right.
Just help me bury his body.
All right, come on, Foxy. Come on, Toad. Let's
go.
Let's go.
Nope, all done. So, well, you guys are good to go.
Okay. Well, thank you. Come on, Rabbit. Let's go.